The Community Health Academy is a 6-month learning collaborative where we invite mayors and city staff around the state to learn together. One of the goals of the Community Health Academy is for participants to learn their role in community health. Most people don't work for a city or run as a local elected official because they are champions of health, but they will soon learn that what the city does really impacts the health of their constituents.
There's much more to a community than just trying to find people jobs. That was something that I'm now cognizant of that I wasn't before. I think that was a real eye-opener for me to realize that there's more than just developing and bringing in new jobs. There's other things to worry about.
Really open up, people's eyes that lead their communities of looking at things through a different lens. So overall, it's been just a wonderful experience throughout.
I like the fact that we're trying to become a healthier community, and you're showing us ways to do that. We can put all this stuff to use in our town, in our communities, and we just need to learn to share it with other people and get about so they can see it, and that's what you've done to us. It's important. We've learned a lot.
There are so many benefits of the Community Health Academy. One being networking with local municipalities throughout the state, learning from subject matter experts, and also you get grant funding at the end of the Community Health Academy to catalyze a health project in your community.
One of the benefits for me was just being reminded of the breadth of what healthy can mean. The issues that we're covering here are not ones that we are statutorily commanded to, execute and take care of. But being reminded that all of these are allowed to be on my plate, and having my staff be reminded that I can have things on my plate, or that we can have things on our plate, that we can go above and beyond when it comes to serving our community in all of these ways.
The best thing that I've found in this academy, there were ideas that I had never thought of before, some things that have popped up and really introduced me to a world of possibilities in our city.
The subject matter experts that we bring into the Community Health Academy are well known. They understand communities like the communities in Idaho and are able to give the participants actionable tools to take back into their communities.
We have found situations and ideas that we're going to be able to take back to Wendell and implement tomorrow. We've found ideas that are going to help us immediately, and then hopefully in the long term we've got some more long-term solutions that we're so excited about.
What I've found in the Community Health Academy is the wealth of information. It's giving me ideas of things that we can do in the community.
What I like about the Community Health Academy is not only do the participants learn from one another and subject matter experts, we as the Blue Cross of Idaho Foundation learn from the participants about what they're facing in their communities in regards to community health.
I think the Academy is awesome. I think it's a great way to get beyond our small kind of ingrown thoughts about our own community. It's a great networking opportunity, but also the presentations are extremely right on. They are presentations that benefit all types of communities and all types of challenges that are faced by communities.
The biggest benefit that I have found from the Community Health Academy is just listening and learning from others across the state, because I find out that we have so much in common, but yet there's so much different. And so we can share examples of how we've solved our problems, and then we can explore new ideas to solve new problems. So that's been very beneficial. And as a new mayor, I can take that back to my community and I think show some real progress.
We continue to do the Community Health Academy because it is one of the most impactful and popular programs that we have at the foundation.
This is a great program. This is an excellent way for boots on the ground kind of experience, but also training. The format, I love the format where we break things up, go on little tours, do webinars as well as in person. I think that it's a great job.
Keep doing it. Every small town elected official, worker, across the board, they could benefit from this.
So I would definitely want to say thank you. We're so grateful for everything that they've been helping us do as a city, but also it's been fun to work with them, and even myself individually, I feel like I'm a new mayor, and that's really scary, and it's they've made me better. Like, I've learned. I'm so grateful because it's kind of terrifying to be put in charge. So I've been very grateful to them.
The program was more than I thought it would be, quite honestly. I mean, you know, initially we all sign up, we hear about a grant, and we think, well, there's a grant opportunity, let's go for it. But I was required to put some skin in the game, and that was the important part, and I think the real beneficial part about this. And the team has been very supportive of that, very engaging. They've answered all my questions, and I feel very comfortable with this, and I would certainly recommend the program to other mayors, other city officials.
I appreciate that the foundation is doing this. By touching just a few cities at a time, you're reaching thousands and thousands of Idahoans, and that's the goal, right? And I think that it's an effective way of achieving that goal. What I guess I want to say is thank you. Thank you for investing in your resources this way. To be able to just spend it on pure education, I value that as an individual, learning and teaching, but I'm just grateful that you thought to invest in this way.